In talking to our customers and those that wanted to implement a 2110 infrastructure, the UE160 is the first in the industry to offer SMPTE 2110 as an option. So customers in the sports market are taking advantage that you can actually do 120 frames per second in HD. They love that ability to do slow motion. What makes the AW-UE160 unlike any other PTZ in the marketplace is we actually have a 4/3 inch sensor in a 1-inch crop. We do that because the photo sites are larger and can capture more light, thus giving us the ability to achieve a sensitivity of f14 at 2000 lux. Now what that means for our customers is this great sensitivity within the camera allow them to use it in lower light conditions and truly capture the images they needed to create. Now we have many customers in those particular applications, in particular maybe the house of worship market, where there is an LED wall that the camera is shooting into. So the UE160 has a built-in optical low-pass filter, and this optical low-pass filter helps us reduce the moire effect that we find ourselves challenged with when shooting into an LED wall. The other thing that we've experienced with the UE160 is the PDAF. Now the PDAF deals with our phase detection autofocus. Phase detection autofocus is an advanced autofocus system that is so noticeable when you compare it to other PTZs on the marketplace.